Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading ngayong June 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Ayan, so meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment kung gusto nyong mag-book. Okay, Gemini, let's see. June 2024 para sa inyo. What's up? What's coming for Gemini? Okay. Looking good. Bottom of the deck, King of Wands. Okay. So, this is about your passion. Passion sa buhay. You are going to be more passionate in whatever you want to pursue. Yung mga gusto mong gawin. Mas motivated ka. And, some of you, mas gusto nyo ngayon na mag-explore pa. Mag-explore pa ng ibang mga bagay na pwede nyong pagkakitaan or pwedeng maging dahilan para mas ma-improve nyo ang inyong sarili, mas maging masaya kayo, or you are embracing freedom, no, ngayong June. So, let's see your overall energy. The 3 of Cups. This is about happiness, abundance, joy, friendship. So, yung iba pwedeng you will have some celebration with your friends, with your family. Meron kang achievement, no, ngayong June. Na kung saan you will be able to share your blessings sa ibang tao. Oo. Maaring may mga events din kayo ngayong June. Oh yeah, kasi June is Gemini season. Marami kayong ganap. Networking, connecting with others. May also be traveling para magkaroon ng reunion with your family members and your loved ones, your friends. So, sa inyo namang challenge, you have the 2 of Cups. Pwedeng magkaroon ng challenging situation sa relationship, no? Sa partner ninyo, pwedeng business partnership, may mga misunderstanding. Kailangan lang dito is constant communication, being open sa isa't isa, para maiwasan nyo yung misunderstanding. I mean, normal naman yan sa relationship or kahit anong relasyon, partnership, friendship. Ang importante dyan is you are able to express how you really feel, totoo ka sa sarili mo, and at the same time, yung person mo, yung connection mo with other people ay naiintindihan ka kasi totoo yung sinasabi mo. Okay? And also, hindi lang ikaw yung dapat nag-express. You are also open na makinig. Oo, sa iba. Para, it's not a one-way street. Dapat pareho kayo. It takes 2 to tango para magkaintindihan. Diba? So, your opportunity is the Strength card. Ito yung energy to ng Leo. So, maaring you will be more focused on the things na gusto mong mas palakasin sa buhay mo, palaguin sa buhay mo, like your career, your business, your relationship. You have the courage to pursue ano man yung kaharapin mong obstacle, challenge, no? Kasi yung mga challenges na yan, hindi naman yan mawawala, laging meron, darating yan. Ang importante is meron kang sapat na lakas na i-handle yung challenge na yun. Kasi lilipas rin naman siya. Oo. And then your Blessing is the King of Pentacles. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong leadership role sa trabaho, can be a promotion, mapopromote ka sa work, or may leadership role na tipong ikaw yung magiging magmamanage na ng business mo. You are in a parang mas ire-recognize ka ngayon, no? You are also becoming more generous, so maaring may mga taong matutulungan ka ngayong June. Let's see, what is the King of Pentacles? You have the World and the Son of Swords. I feel like there is good news coming in related sa work sa ibang bansa or related sa mga business transactions mo sa ibang bansa. Kung ikaw ay merong international trading company, this can also mean na pwedeng merong magre-reach out sa'yo na kakilala mo, kamag-anak mo sa ibang bansa na meron siyang good news na dadalhin kasi meron siyang itutulong sa'yo financially. So, your money, career, finances, you have the 8 of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Page of Wands. The Emperor is energy ng Aries. Very strict ang energy ng Emperor. Someone who is very structured sa mga ginagawa niya. So, I think ngayon, you are serious, no? Seryoso ka sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. You are also willing to try new things with the Page of Wands. Be open sa mga bagong experiences. Adventurous ka ngayon pagdating sa career, pagdating sa business. And at the same time, you are also working hard, no? Para makita mo yung resulta ng mga goals mo. Talagang tatrabahuhin mo to. Yung iba sa inyo, you are going to enhance your skills. Mas lalo mong i-improve yung mga kaalaman mo, yung galing mo, yung talents mo, yung abilities mo. Okay? Some of you maaring merong good news sa trabaho. Like what I mentioned kanina, leadership role, itong nakikita ko, or opportunity para makapag-travel sa ibang bansa or sa ibang lugar. So, sa relationship naman, you have the Ten of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. So, merong ending rito, no? Ending of a situation, closure. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nasa isang relationship na hindi nyo alam kung saan napapunta, kung ano na yung estado ng relasyon nyo, may nagkakalabuan dito. But I think, ngayong June, magkakaroon na ng closure. Mafa-finalize mo na if you are willing to let go of this person and focus on your independence, yung iyong pagiging malaya. Ayan. Maari ring, as sinasabi ng iba, kailangan ko siya makausap kailangan ko magkita pa kami para may closure. Actually, hindi na kailangan yon. Kung ayaw nyo magpakita, makipag-usap, kasi pwedeng you are reaching out to this person pero ayaw niya diba? Pwedeng may nang ghost na sa inyo or you just don't want to deal with someone. Then, yung closure na yun, ikaw magbibigay sa sarili mo. Okay? Yun na yung closure. Yung pagiging missing in action niya, that's the closure that you need. And I think this will lead you to freedom. Makakalaya ka na doon sa mga bagay na nagli-limit sa'yo in exploring other relationships or connections or even sa sarili mo dahil hinihintay mo tong taong to. But I don't think na meron pa tong gagawin to reach out. So, ang importante dyan is hindi ka dependent sa isang tao. Diba? What is the Queen of Swords? The Strength card. The Six of Wands. Oo, I think you are going to be the winner dito sa situation mo na to, sa relationship. The moment na you let go of the things na stressing you out and focus on yourself. So, let's see, ano pa? Gemini. Divine Feminine. Ayan, fulfillment ito. Being open to divine inspiration. So, you will tap into your feminine energy to be more creative, to be more open to changes. You also have the energy ng elephant, change ng direction. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga pagpabago ng mga plano ninyo dahil may mga taong hindi naging present para sa inyong plans. You have Phoenix. This symbolizes rebirth, no? This is a brand new you. This is resurrection. And trusting the process na kahit magsimula ka ulit, okay lang. Kasi alam mo kung paano mo mas mapapaunlad pa yung sarili mo. Because you've been there, diba? Let's see what else, Gemini. Rebel. It's time to celebrate the fact that you don't fit in. Stand on your own 2 feet. Yes, this is the independence that I'm telling you about. Na hindi mo kailangang baguhin yung sarili mo para lang maging katanggap-tanggap ka sa iba. You will embrace your uniqueness. Surprise! Oh, my surprise. Release your expectations and be open to surprises. Yes, kung hindi ka nag-expect, masu-surprise ka talaga. Kasi wala kang set standards na sinusunod eh. Authenticity. You are going to be more authentic. Totoo sa yung sarili na hindi mo kailangang like what I mentioned kanina, hindi mo kailangang baguhin yung sarili mo para matanggap ka ng iba. Dahil kung sino man yung taong tatanggap sa'yo, magmamahal sa'yo, yung mga taong dapat mong kasama, you're like your soul family, ma-attract mo yan sa pagiging authentic mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!